Hi, I'm Andrew Muñoz Patigdas, 19 years old. I live in Poblacion West, Catigbian, Bohol. I am freshman in Bohol Island State University, Balilihan campus, taking up a Bachelor of Science in Electronics Technology, and I would like to apply to your company through my career. I am confident that my skill in communication and experience in hardworking make me strong to fit for the job position in your company. I found about the job position through on Facebook ads. After researching your company and the position in detail, I am confident that my qualifications and experience align well with the requirements outlined in the job description. Your company's reputation and confidence and communication has always impressed me. I have been following this company work in passion and have admired that initiative, solution, and impact your team has made. I believe my greatest strength is that I am extremely self-motivated. This comes from the fact that I love what I do. So, I am always trying to find ways to do my work better. So, whenever I am faced with a challenge, I pursue by telling myself that this challenge is part of my job and the others depending on my work to help the company meet its objective. While I'm strive for continuous improvement, I acknowledge that one of my weaknesses is how to use computer properly. I can say to myself that I am computer illiterate, but I'm willing to learn and to be trained so that working in your company will be more efficient and productive. I stay motivated by thinking about the end of result. I found that even in the midst of the challenging situation, reminding myself of my goals helps me to step back and stay positive and allow myself to regular breaks to rest and recharge. Stepping away from stressful situations to help my mind and improve overall and productivity. In the next 5 years, I see myself taking more leadership responsibilities and cultivating strategic initiative within the company. I am passionate about the continuous learning and aspire to further develop my skills in areas such as project management and team leadership. I am excited about the opportunity to grow within the company and make meaningful impact. I believe that respect encourages open communication and collaboration among the team members. When individuals respect each other's ideas, opinions, and expertise, they are more likely to work together effectively, share knowledge, and contribute to a positive and productive work environment.